In the quiet, rural district of Bradford-on-Avon lies a treasure long since forgotten. In front of us, we see a female oak tree about to give birth. Oh, actually, that was a lie. Sorry, I'm becoming distracted. My apologies. Here is the human Jack. Having been viciously misunderstood in the family home, he seeks refuge under the gaze of the bright midday sun.
You need to shave, my pretty.
Whoa! Hey, who are you?
Me? I'm your guardian angel, or your incubi and succubi, or just your conscience. I will watch over you when you are feeling down like a rat in the dumps.
Hey, shut up! You're not going to do that whole time I'm with you, are you?
But I've always been with you.
What? Even when I was, you know, on the toilet?
Ah, yes, even when you were taking a shit.
Hey, my mum and dad don't let me swear, so I don't expect you to.
Sorry. You twit. Ooh, where are you going, Jack? Jack? Oh, Jack, would you like to play some blackjack? Or would you like some flapjack? Either's fine. Oh, it's okay with me. Oh, yes.
Oh, can you shut up, please, Edward? You're starting to piss me off.
Gasp! I don't believe it. You said your parents told you not to swear. You've only ever had me as a guardian.
Well, that's what you think. I'm on my third life. You may find it a bit weird, but it's true.
Weird? I'll tell you what's weird. I'm on my 13th life. My last life was the best. I had a wife and kids. Then the murderer came. He killed them all. And my ladybirds. That's what happens. When you're 13th life, you become a guardian. It's just how it is. Be gone! Now, shit.